There is something crazy that has happened in ChatGPT 4 and now things are coming together. We had something called as a plugin which was very frustrating to go and activate from here. If you needed to use a plugin like creating a diagram or creating a video or PowerPoint, you had to go there and you had to select. But now the GPTs have brought the custom GPT plugins and the user experience to another level by integrating something called as mentions. So something like this, when you click at the rate, you are going to see all the GPTs that you are there, as you can see, and use it for your work. For example, I'll just show you a live demo. I want to create some presentation and some diagrams about logistic regression, and you see the journey that I'm going to do. So first I'm going to ask help me create a document on logistic regression, document regression for students. So we know what which GPT we are going to use. There is a very good GPT called Universal Primer, which is very good in making very basic level presentations, basic level knowledge at a very simple level. So help me create a document on logistic regression for students. What it is, details, assumptions, and industry use cases. So let me just keep it very simple. Assumptions, use case, mathematical details, accuracy, best practice, example, and assumptions. So just to make sure that there is no spelling mistake, because we don't want it to. So now it is going to ask me, this is the whole stuff that it is going to give it to me. It is going to break it down into a different documents. Why I'm using Universal Primer? Because I know this GPT is good. It has been trained on correct data, and I have been using it for some time while it has been released, and we get the first information from here. Now very good, this is very good. We just give couple of minutes. Now suppose I needed to make a diagram of logistic regression, a flowchart of how logistic regression works. Then I go in a plugin, create a new plugin, create a new window, but now no need. Help me create a flowchart of how it works. Include train and test, validation concept. Now if I do this, it is not going to, Universal Primer does not make diagrams. So what I need to do is I need to click add Diagrammics show. So now I have this particular information. The AI is learning from the information that is there, and now it is error talking to me. Let us give us a couple of times. We will try to reprompt it to create it again. Technical issues happen, so it is giving me a good information about all the training, validation, testing, and deployment part. Retry the diagram. Just for doing the demo of the video I was preparing, it worked. Just give couple of minutes, ideally it should work. So within the same GPT, I am giving it mention. So error talking to, let me try it again. Create, I think it is not it is down for now, maybe because of too much load that is happening. That's fine, this is fine. It sometimes it does not work, but I am encountering issue with the tool required to create. Try again. I should do always allow. Okay, no problem. So there is some issue here. Now if I want to now put this into a PowerPoint, put this into a PowerPoint. PowerPoint at PowerPoint presentation by SlideGPT. So whatever we have done, now it is going to also put it into the diagram. Would have been cool to add the diagram as well, but every time these things have some issues, so let me also do always allow, because these are the trusted GPTs, so we can really trust them. Anyhow, I'm going to try once more. So you can see talking to, so they have created a slide. So you can see they have created a slide. If you can go here, see they have created a slide on the workflow. Also create the slides on the document created earlier. So we can download this. We can just click view full and download. It is going to download here. So let me just click this. So it is opening SlideGPT, and then you can download this and the second part. So it is preparing it. Just give couple of seconds. Still not. We'll try a diagram once more, because it really is very amazing. If you can see, try to use diagrams, try to use these tools to create diagrams. It is very, very powerful. Slide 2, introduction, why use mathematical. So step by step everything has come. Let me try again, just to be create a sometimes the custom GPT becomes down, so we have to be patient. And then we can also create video. I don't want to do the video part because it will take time. Like suppose you want to create a video about this at the rate of video maker. So you can use this talking to video. When you click this, the video is going to get created, and depending upon your account that is there in video, you have to, for downloading, you need to create Google login, and you need to actually download the video, which is very, very good and amazing. So for a use case, I wanted to write about linear logistic regression. I could write the document from GPT, that is Universal Primer GPT. Diagram, I took it from Diagram Show Me, and presentation, I took it from this particular thing. So now you can see this whole presentation is there, introduction to logistic regression process, and everything is there that I can use it for my pre-usal. So this is the power, and it has really improved the way we are using custom GPT, and we are calling different custom GPT for our task that we are doing at once. There are some hiccups right now. It's a very new thing, but a simple use case that I am doing right now, how I helped, and the experience became better, because before it was all about plugins going and creating new windows. The thing is, the context is remaining the same. When I just wrote here, if you could see, for presentation, create the slide on the document created earlier. So I did not need to copy paste the context and tell it to make a slide, and you can see the slide that they have made here. So they have made all these slides with the mathematical formula and everything. I can just go here and download the PowerPoint and pre-use it for my work. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Happy learning.